Hello everyone, we are starting with our environment question and answers. Important question and answers I would be taking some. So first one is saying which one of the following is an artificial ecosystem. So out of these four we have to tell them which one is created artificially. अब pond तो हम खुद create कर नहीं सकते, लेक हम खुद क्रिएट कर नहीं सकते, फॉरेस्ट हम खुद क्रिएट कर नहीं सकते. सो द लेफ्ट वन इज द क्रॉप फील्ड. क्रॉप फील्ड जो होता है वो क्या होता है, आर्टिफिशियली क्रिएटेड होता है. Secondly, it says in a food chain, the third trophic level is always occupied by. So first we know as a producer, second we know as a consumer, and consumer में कौन आता है? It must be a herbivore. Herbivore के बाद who will consume the consumer? Secondly, it would be a secondary consumer, or secondary consumer it is always a carnivore. So the option for this is first one, carnivore would be the answer for your second part. In the third part, it says in the given food chain, suppose the amount of energy at fourth trophic level is 5 kilojoule. It is at snake, it is 5 kilojoule. Now they are saying what will be the energy available at the producer level. And who is the producer here? Grass. So we have to use the 10% law. But reverse case है इस बार हमारा. जब भी हम left to right, जब भी हम right to left जाएंगे, so it will increase by 1 0. Every unit will increase by 1 0. So grasshopper would have 500 kilojoule and the grass would have 5000 kilojoule. So fourth one is the option to the third question. Fourth one says accumulation of non-biodegradable pesticides in the food chain in increasing amount at each higher trophic level is known as, the term used is biological magnification. अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Let's say we have a producer, it is consumed by the herbivores and the carnivores then and the top carnivores then, right? अब यहाँ पे हमारा जो पेस्टिसाइड्स का क्वांटिटी होती है, it gets accumulated at every stage. Let's say कि हमारे पास 0.01 per ppm प्रेजेंट था फर्स्ट में पेस्टिसाइड, सेकेंड में ये 0.02 से इंक्रीज हो गया, थर्ड ये 0.03 हो गया, फोर्थ हमारा ये 0.04 हो गया. So here what we can understand that is pesticide is being accumulated in every state. जितना ज़्यादा हमारा स्टेज बढ़ता जाएगा उतना ज़्यादा accumulation pesticides का बढ़ता जाता है. So this process is nothing but biological magnification. Here in this one, it says which group of organism are not a constituent of a food chain. किससे हम अपना food chain नहीं बना सकते? Grass, lion, rabbit, wolf. Here the food chain can be created. Grass को कौन consume कर लेगा? Rabbit. और rabbit को कौन consume कर लेगा? Wolf. And wolf can be then consumed by a lion. B part check करते हैं. A is possible. Here in the B part, plankton, man, fish and grasshopper is there. तो प्लैंकटन के ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी फिश की तो है, लेकिन ग्रास हॉपर तो हमारा टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल है. ग्रास हॉपर फिश को थोड़ी ना कंज्यूम करेगा. सो बी इज रॉन्ग. सी, wolf, grass, snake and tiger is there. So there is no herbivore you can see in this case. So obviously this food chain is not existable. D part is frog, snake, eagle, grass, grasshopper. This can exist. So B and C are the ones which won't be existing. So option 1 would be the answer for the particular question. Now here in the next question it says, why is damage to the ozone layer a cause for concern? It is a cause for concern because if ozone layer will get removed, we would be like in contact with UV rays. So that's why it is important to protect us from the UV rays. And they are saying what steps are being taken to limit this damage. So basically what they are doing is they are controlling the use of CFCs. So what you have to mention here is what is the important word. You have to write they are releasing, they are controlling the use of CFCs in refrigerators and in fire extinguishers so that we can limit the damage to the ozone layer. So these are the steps they are taking to limit the use of CFC so that we can protect our ozone layer. Now, in the last one, they are saying what are the problems caused by the non-biodegradable waste that we generate. We know that non-biodegradable waste is the one which does not decompose very easily, right? So they would be accumulating in the environment and they would be causing biomagnification. And as a result of this, you would get to have pollution in soil and water, and it might pollute in turn the environment, your whole environment. And if suppose that someone burns this waste, so what will happen? It would be polluting the air. So these are the points which are necessary to write in this one, and that's it for from the chapter Our Environment.